Welcome back. Let's do question 1.2. The matric class of a certain high school had to vote for the chairperson of the RCL. The scatter plot below shows the IQ of the 10 learners who received the most votes and the number of votes that they received. Before the election, the popularity of each of these 10 learners was established and the popularity score out of 100 was assigned to each. The popularity score and the number of votes of the same 10 learners who received the most votes are shown in the table below. We have the popularity score and then the number of votes there. We managed to find the mean for the number of votes. We managed to find standard deviation for the number of votes. Now, the question 1.2 says the learners who receive fewer votes than one standard deviation below the mean were not invited for an interview. How many learners were invited? Okay, one standard deviation below the mean. So now this is our standard deviation. So we subtract this value 4.59 from 15.5. So 1.2, we say 15.5 minus 4.59. And then what do you get? 15.5 minus 4.59, we get 10.91. The learners who received fewer votes than one standard deviation below the mean were not invited. So which learners got votes that were below this value? Right? We have this one, which is 9. We have this one, which is 10. So 2 learners were not invited. Now the question is, how many learners were invited then? Then we say, therefore, 10 minus 2, which is equal to 8 learners. 8 learners were invited.